You're not lazy, you're tired, and there's a big difference. If you've been calling yourself unmotivated or useless, stop. Your mind might be exhausted, not broken. Here are 10 signs you're not lazy. You're mentally drained. Sign 1. You feel tired, even after sleeping. When your brain is overwhelmed, sleep doesn't fix it. You wake up tired because your mind never rested. Sign 2. You can't focus on anything. Mental exhaustion makes your brain jump from thought to thought like a broken radio. Sign 3. You avoid tasks you used to handle. Your brain is protecting you. It's saying, I don't have the energy for this right now. Sign 4. You feel guilty for resting. Exhausted people feel guilty for doing nothing. Lazy people don't. Your guilt is proof you care. Sign 5. You get irritated quickly. When your mental battery is low, even small things feel overwhelming. Sign 6. You struggle to make simple decisions. Exhaustion creates decision fatigue. Your brain can't choose because it's overloaded. Sign 7. You feel disconnected from yourself. You're not lazy, you're numb. Your mind shuts down to protect you from burnout. Sign 8. You procrastinate because you're overwhelmed, not careless. Your brain delays tasks because it doesn't have the capacity. Sign 9. You feel emotionally sensitive. When you're drained, everything hits harder. You're not weak, you're depleted. Sign 10. You want to change, but you don't know where to start. Lazy people don't care. Exhausted people care deeply. They just don't have the energy. You're not failing. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You're tired mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and you deserve rest, not judgment. Be kind to yourself. Your comeback starts with understanding your exhaustion, not punishing yourself for it.